What shall we do today?
Boo! Tova, hey Tova, what are we gonna do today? Tova, hey Tova, it's fun to learn and play. Hey, it's Tova! Tova, hey Tova, what are we gonna do today? Tova, hey Tova, it's fun to learn and play. Fun to learn and play. Hey Tova!
Toys! Let's open them! Wow! Pizza! Wow! The pot? Wow! Eggs! Wow! Let's take the things out of the plastic. Doesn't work. A cupcake. Let's look at all of the foods. Ooh, these are pizzas. Here's one. Oh, here's other pizzas. Oh, here it is. Here's the other one. A sandwich.
Yummy!
Ooh, a burger.
Yummy, yummy!
Ooh, cupcake.
Yummy in my tummy!
A donut.
Oh, so yummy!
Ooh, sweet potato. Ooh, eggs. A pomegranate. Ooh, 2 tomatoes. Ooh, look, sweet peas. Let's get this organized. It's all organized. Let's make a yummy meal. First, let's make some soup. I'm gonna put carrot in it. I'm gonna put berries. I'm gonna put some sweet potato in. And some strawberry. Some cookies. Let's add a little juice. I'm gonna put tuna in it. And salt. Time to cook it. Let's cook some eggs. It's cooking. Ooh, it's gonna be so yummy. Let's add some vegetables. Let's taste the soup. Ew, you can't put any sweets in it. This time let's make it proper.
Okay, let's do it!
Let's put some sweet potato, some carrot. What else? Broccoli. I know. We can use the knife to cut it. This is going to be yummy soup. Put the lid on. Let's solve the food we made. The soup was the best. Time for dessert. I'm adding some cookies, the icing of cupcake, and more icing of cupcake, and some mango. I'm gonna add some strawberry too, and some cocoa berry. All done. Time to eat. That was so yummy. I had so much fun. Well, bye. See you later. If this video made you smile, subscribe so you can keep smiling with all my new videos.